Welcome to 126 Sunset Ridge, which is located in Rose Garden Mews, perfectly positioned around Crimson Park and WaterColor Phase 1.
The basics of this house is a touch over 2,000 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms. Now it does have a carriage house, so about 300 square feet is in the carriage house. So this is around 1,700 square feet in the main house. 3 bedrooms here and 1 bedroom in the carriage. You know those houses that are renovated, they're completely overdone, way too modern, without that authentic coastal feel? Well, this is not that house. They just finished a renovation in 22, but they did a wonderful job of keeping the old and the traditional with bringing it up to date, bringing it up in the level. And as you look around the house and you look at the different elements, you gotta look up first. When you look up, you see the exposed trusses with the vaulted cathedral, and that's finished out with a V-groove shiplap. I mean, it just feels so coastal with the light blue tones they have on it. It just makes everything it feels wonderful. This house has no identity crisis. Sometimes your designers have a hard time putting the classic components like beadboard together with your more modern elements, like these marble countertops and these really fun floors. But this house here, together, the way they've done it, it feels updated, it feels modern, but very authentic. This is a beach house. While modest in size, they've done a really good job with the layout and how the house lives. You've got your custom banquette here that's connected with the kitchen area, which is connected to the living area. So even though it's not a giant house, it does live really nicely. Welcome to the master bedroom. The master bedroom has its own balcony access here, but overall it just feels like a really nice space. It's spacious. Thanks to the 10-foot ceilings, it feels spacious. And if you look at the bed and the end tables, these are 42-inch end tables. So there's plenty of room, plenty of space here. It's a nice space. Some people might be tempted to load this small room up with marble, make it ultra luxurious. But why mess up a good thing? The bathroom here maintains this ultra authentic beach feel to it, but it has everything you need. We've got 2 vanities, so a vanity here, his and hers. We've got a stand-up shower here, we have a soaking tub, and we have a separate thermal room. And by the way, check out this cool old school shiplap. All right, so now we're in bedroom number 2. One thing nice about this bedroom is that it does front Crimson Park, which is so nice. So you get to enjoy that feeling from the inside of this room. It also has its very own bathroom attached, so there's no sharing of bathrooms. All right, so to show you where we're at, the master's right here. We do have the laundry room right here, so a separate washer and dryer, and there's a pretty little powder room right here. So now we go upstairs. I wonder what we'll find. We're upstairs, and the word charming continues. You'll notice on the beds you have custom upholstery. We have a custom Roman shades here, and it really ties it together. And remember, everybody has their own bathroom, including this space right here. So you're looking at me from the back door, which is the way I'm going, but every time you come into the back, this is what you see. So take that in and enjoy it. It's really pretty, I know, but let's go check out the carriage house because that's where I'm going. All right, welcome to the carriage house. This is a great little spot, fully self-contained little apartment's what it is. And what's really interesting about this, these owners do not rent the main house, but they do rent the carriage house. The carriage house, as I understand, brought in around $37,000 of income alone. But it's really cool to have the flexibility. You might want to rent the main house alone and not rent the carriage. You might want to rent just the carriage. You might want to rent the entire property. Well, it's flexible. You can do whatever you like, and this works really great. It's not surprising to hear from folks that one of their favorite things about being here was their time spent winding down on the porch. And this house has great porches. You got the porch here on the back and the porch on the front. Now the porch on the front, well, it fronts the park. And the park's got really nice life. You'll have kids playing, maybe a football game, families hanging out, but the porch life, it's alive and well.
I hope you guys have enjoyed the walkthrough of this charming cottage in WaterColor Phase 1. If we can do anything to help you or anyone you know in this market, feel free to reach out.